So mainly I think people are concerned because the stress factor has increased a lot in the work life of people nowadays, and everybody is not sensitive towards what they are going through. See, sometimes people are insensitive as well when it comes to this aspect of having a baby and things like that. So that's why I asked you this question. So we are taking the answer as it differs from case to case, but generally they can be normal, can be doing everything. Eat everything also?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. I think that is point number one for many people. Maybe someone like me, oh, do we have to diet or do we have to do something else? One more question I'd like to ask you, doctor. Is prenatal diagnosis required in this case?
For patients who are undergoing a PGD,
Yeah.
sometimes patient may have a doubt whether something will go wrong even after having a PGD done and transferring that embryo. So for those kind of patients, you can opt for a postnatal evaluation.
Okay.
So in the form of an amniocentesis or chorionic villi biopsy around 16 to 20 weeks. But it is not a must for all cases.
Okay.
Only if you want to confirm the success rate of a PGD, or when the patient is very much anxious, they have a previous child, or their family history strongly suggests of some genetic disorder, you can always double check. There is no harm in that. So those kind of couples, they can have a PGD, they can have a postnatal testing after PGD, but it is not a necessary one.
Okay. But as doctors, do you do that test to ensure that they are going to get?
See, once we do a PGD, we don't advise the patient a postnatal diagnosis.
Okay.
So if a patient has undergone an IVF or a PGD somewhere else and they come to us for an antenatal checkups, then those are the times we advise the postnatal or prenatal evaluations.
Now I'm going to ask you something very personal.
Fine.
Why Dr. Anandi Arvind?
There is a particular passion for this particular field, and my field of interest was fertility. I have seen so many couples worrying about the family issues and the other things, the consequences of not having a child. The important thing we are facing is nowadays the birth rates have come down. Each and every family, they're having only one or two child, and with the newer generation of postponing the pregnancies, marrying at a later age due to profession and other things, the conception rate has come down actually.
Okay.
So as the conception rate comes down and the longevity of the human being is increased, we are now encountering a problem wherein the younger generation are really very low. That is not good for a developing country. So one is in that angle. Another one thing is in the personal aspect of the couples. Say always a child will bring extra happiness to the family, and it is to complete the family. So once we see a couple not having a child, somehow we can help them add on to their happiness. So that was an important reason why I took this fertility field.
Yeah, I completely agree with you, and I think it keeps the marriage going as well.
Yes.
Because no two people are alike, and no two people would like to stick to each other forever unless they have a mission to complete. So once a child comes, bringing up the child and giving a good citizen again to the country becomes a mission, which keeps them together. So I think it's a wonderful thing. So you always wanted to do this as a student?
Yes, even while I was in childhood, because I have seen so many neighbors and friends not having children, and they are suffering personal sufferings. We have heard of even our relatives having their own personal sufferings, our neighborhood, our sisters, our colleagues in the buses. So I had an interest regarding fertility, but by that time while we were doing our +2 and other thing, we never know. But once we entered into the medical field, then only I understood there are a lot of scopes and lot of facilities for improvising the fertility rate in patients. Only then we opted for this.
Mainly you felt, your fellow women should feel complete and feel happy. Yeah, comfortable as well.